Hey there, it's Erica. Today I'm going to be making these cozy cinnamon baked apples, perfect for the fall. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 6 medium-sized apples. You can also use 4 or 5 large apples or 8 small apples. I've used Gala, Fuji, Pink Lady, Honeycrisp, and Granny Smith to make these. Obviously the Granny Smith will be more tart, so you may want to increase the sweetener if you use those. You'll also need 1/4 to 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. You could also use brown sugar if you prefer, but that will result in drier apples. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which is optional. If you leave this out, the juices will obviously be less thick, which you may prefer that. You can also substitute 1½ teaspoons of arrowroot for the cornstarch for a grain-free version. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of butter. You can substitute coconut oil for a dairy-free version. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Core and thinly slice the apples. You can peel them if you prefer, but I like to leave the peels on. Place the apples in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Add the rest of the ingredients on top of the apples in the baking dish. You could also whisk the remaining ingredients minus the butter together separately and pour that over the apples. Now place that in your preheated oven for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, stirring every 25 minutes to half an hour. Test the apples with a fork to see if they're done to your liking. You might prefer your apples to remain a little bit firm, or you might like them really soft. Once they're done to your liking, remove from the oven and allow to cool for a bit. I like to serve these with either some homemade whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So easy and so cozy. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to check out this video next to learn how to make my easy baked pumpkin custard.